Hi everyone, welcome to Trap Shots and I am your host Nishand Krishna. India is a land of many diverse cultures and geographical marvel. In this video, I bring 3 interesting facts about India that many might not know. So let's get into the show. The first one is the number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The country is home to 40 UNESCO heritage sites. The last site to be added to the World Heritage Site list is Dholavira, a Harappan city that is located in the state of Gujarat. The country currently has 32 cultural sites, 7 natural sites and 1 mixed property. Second is the highest rail bridge in the world. The country is home to the highest rail bridge in the world. The 1,315 meter long Chenab bridge is located in Jammu and Kashmir and is 35 meter higher than the Eiffel Tower. The engineering marvel has been designed to withstand high wind speed up to 266 km per hour. Third in the list is the cleanest village in Asia. Though India can be full of traffic and busy people, there are parts of it that can be absolutely breathtaking. Take Mawlynnong for example. It is located in the state of Meghalaya and has been ranked as the cleanest village in Asia. The beautiful village is picturesque and is certainly one of the most interesting places in Northeast India. I hope you like this edition of Trap Shots. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also like this video. There are a lot more interesting videos coming up. Till the next edition, signing off, Nishand.